Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use save audio on Instagram post. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application. So once you open Instagram application, click on the reel section and here you can see different let me select this one for example, and you need to save this audio. So I save this audio, then you need to go back, click on your profile picture, click on three bars on the top right and click on saved, and here you can see audio. Click here, then you need to click here and click on use audio, and you can use that in reels, or you can create picture like this with your camera and use that audio as well on your post. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.